knock 'em out of the phone. I'm breaking hearts and I put 'em in chrome. Swiping, no swiping.